Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider business. For example, you have a business of social media scheduling tool provider in where you can provide different facilities to your customers such as check analytics, usage tips and customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of social media scheduling tool provider, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hey there, welcome to Postpilot, your smart assistant for automated social media scheduling. Here's what I can do for you today. While providing me three options, that is check my analytics, usage tips and support. If I'll click on check my analytics, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that here's what we can show you while providing me three different options, that is post performance, best time to post and audience insights. If I'll click on post performance, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me post performance summary, including one button that is call us. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will respond to me like this, providing me all the contact details of this social media scheduling tool provider business. After that, if I'll click on usage tip, then you can see it will provide me some tips. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our social media scheduling tool provider business, so here I am providing a name, here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of social media scheduling tool provider. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that, I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to my social media scheduling tool provider business by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here I uploaded one image related to my social media scheduling tool provider business because it sounds impactful and interesting towards my client. After that, I'm clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. Here I write it. At the end of this message, you can see I'll ask my client that here's what I can do for you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as check my analytics. The second button I'll write as usage tips and the third button I'll write as support. After that, now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my client. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to check my analytics, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message as here's what we can show you. So I am providing them some quick options by clicking on this plus add button. See, here I provided that is post performance, best times to post and audience insight. If my clients want to know some details about post performance, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about post performance. See, here I write it. Now I am giving them one button, that is call us. Here I provided. After that, the second one is the best time to post. If my clients wants to know about this, then they will click on this option. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about best times to post. See, here I write it. Here also I am giving them one button, that is call us. Here I provided. Now the third one is the audience insights. If my clients wants to know about this, then they will click on this button, so my bot will response to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about audience insights. Here I write it and also provide one button that is call us. Now, the second one is the usage tips. If my clients wants to know about some usage tips, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some usage tips. See, here I write it. After that, the third one is the support. That means if my clients wants to know about the contact details of my social media scheduling tool provider business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. The steps will be similar. This sounds very easy for you to creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider business. Now here I am entering some contact details. Here I provided. Now I am connecting these three circles to this message. By clicking on this, drag a line to this. It is connected. This too and this also. Because whenever my clients will click on this call us option or this support option, then my bot will provide them all the contact details of my social media scheduling tool provider business. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary information, your contact details, and the data you want to share with them. Instantly, you can create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your social media scheduling tool provider business. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.